Hey, what's going on? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. So we've been talking about the gear icon and the different settings that are available there, and today we're going to continue that conversation. So if you remember, the gear icon is up here in the top, and we've already covered your branding and your brand-specific settings. So next we're going to move on to dashboard. And the two things in the dashboard that you can set here are your financial indicators and your dashboard color scheme. By default, the financial indicators are turned on, and we see that over here on the dashboard. It's these three boxes here. The first one is your financial goals. This is where you can set goals for either monthly or yearly, and you'll see a balance here of how close you are to reaching those goals. Now this balance is your gross sales, so it does not include any expenses that you might have. If you need to change or update this, just click the pencil icon here, and you can change the goal here or the time frame here to monthly or yearly. We've got this set for $4,000 monthly, and then click Save. Next you have your open invoices, and this is just a balance of all open invoices that people owe you. And then this is your revenue indicator, and this looks at your total revenue from 30 days ago to currently, and it just shows you a percentage of how you're doing, either plus or minus, compared to a rolling 30 days. Now if you don't really want to see this information, you can always turn that off by going to the gear icon and dashboard and just toggle that to off. Make sure you click Save. And then you can come back to the dashboard, and this is what it looks like with those financial indicators turned off. And then of course, if you want to turn them back on, it's back under the gear icon, dashboard, and turn on. Now the color schemes, this is going to change the color of your dashboard and your internal buttons here. And you can do purple, you can do blue, you can do red, orange, gray. It really just depends on you and what you'd like to see. Personally, I like purple. So just change that color there and click Save. And then let's go back and check our dashboard. So now you can see that all of these bars here are purple. And this is only going to be an internal color change. So your clients are not going to see this. This does not affect your branding. This does not affect any of your buttons or your forms or anything like that. This is just for your internal view, looking at your dashboard and looking within your Dubsado account. Alright, that's it for today's tidbit. For more information about receiving updates, requesting future episodes, or getting help with your own Dubsado account, check out the links below in the description of this video or visit sarahleeday.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.